Want to check out trending videos on YouTube but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. So let's get started. To check out trending videos on YouTube, first of all, open up your YouTube app, and once you've done that, go click on the home icon, and once you're there, click on the compass icon up here, and then the first option we have is trending. So tap on it, and now you can see all the trending videos. So we have different categories. We have the music category. You can check out all the trending videos on music in the music category, the gaming category, trending gaming videos, and the films category. So you can see the trending films videos also. So that's it. And also, if you have a particular one in mind, you can also click on the search icon up here and type it in to see if it's trending. Then you can also go back and then go all the way to recently uploaded to see those that were recently uploaded also. So if you do that, you click on it and you have access to all the recently uploaded videos on YouTube. So that's all it takes to check out trending videos and recently uploaded videos on YouTube. I know you found this video helpful, so I would love it if you'll click on the thumbs up button, click on the thumbs up button, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.